ISTQB Foundation Level Question 272. You are testing a form that verifies the correctness of the length of the password given as input. The form accepts a password with the correct length and rejects a password that is too short or too long. The password length is correct if it has between 6 and 12 characters inclusive. Otherwise, it is considered incorrect. At first, the form is empty, password length is 0. You apply boundary value analysis to the password length variable. Your set of test cases achieves 100% two-value boundary value coverage. The team decided that due to the high risk of this component, test cases should be added to ensure 100% free value boundary value coverage. Which additional password length should be tested to achieve this? A. 4, 5, 13, 14. B. 7, 11. C. 1, 5, 13. D. 1, 4, 7, 11, 14. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. If you find value in that I do and my videos help you, then you have the option to donate through the links in the video description to I can release new videos on ISTQB questions on a regular basis. According to ISTQB Syllabus, to achieve 100% coverage with two-value PVA and three-value PVA, test cases must exercise all coverage items, i.e. all identified boundary values. It is important to correctly define all boundary values. The domain for the password length has three equivalence partitions. Class 1 is passwords too short. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Class 2 is passwords OK. From 6 and 7 to 11 and 12. Class 3 is passwords too long. 13, 14, and more. To achieve full coverage for three-value BVA, we need to test the following values: 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14. Since two-value BVA is already covered, this means that we have already tested the passwords of length 0, 5, 6, 12, and 13. This means that the additional length that need to be covered to move from two-value to three-value are 1, 4, 7, 11, and 14. In summary, correct answer is D, and answers A, B, C are wrong. My recommendation: please remember that boundary value analysis, PVA, can only be used for ordered and correctly defined partitions. For answering questions, the wording of the question will indicate which option you need to use: two-value BVA and or three-value BVA. I recommend that you draw diagrams yourself when you are answering questions like this. As a rule, questions on test techniques are not difficult, but require more time to solve than theoretical questions. Remember that any question in this exam large or small in wording, has only 1 point towards the final score. Therefore, it is better to leave big questions for the end of the exam if you are pressed for time when taking the exam. Explanation. Finally, let's look at the section 4.2.2 Boundary Value Analysis in the ISTQB syllabus. I suggest you figure out this section on your own. Use this amazing opportunity to prepare for the ISTQB Certified Tester Foundation Level exam via my YouTube channel, and you will pass it for sure. Don't stop, never give up.